All right, so we uncovered the El Camino, and now we got this canopy up over here. So of course, it leaks right across where the motor is, right there. See, right onto the air cleaner. Perfect place. All right, so I jacked it up, put some springs back in it, kind of. Well, there's some blocks in the front and springs in the back. Shocks are missing though. See, moves up and down quite a bit. All right, we're gonna light this thing off. I put it in park over there. The fuel tank's right there, and there's an oil pressure gauge right over there that supposed to tell me there's oil pressure. I think it's the only gauge that works in the whole damn car. All right, so it's been about 4 years since I lit this thing off, I think. So if I remember how to do this, one of these is turns ignition and one makes the starter go. Oh darn, I need a wrench. Hey, can you bring a 1/2 inch or a crescent wrench with you?
Hoodies is good, man.
What are you doing over here?
Baby. Oh, hey, no, there's a place in town.
Hey, I need that wrench.
Yeah,
Hey,
there's a place in
hey,
town. He says he wants that bench.
what are you doing over here? Is there no oil leak on this bike?
This is too big, bro.
Hey, Joe.
All right, see you tomorrow.
Brandon told you that.
Come by with the sun up, we'll get some pictures of you doing some polishing. Come by a little bit earlier, we'll get some polishing pictures in.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, you gotta be over here working on junk. Okay, I need my tools.
All right, Tatro.
Oh, no pictures of butts. Jeez. That's it, I'm not going that direction. I'm not going that way. I'm gonna stop over here. Let's see, I got a 7/16. Where's a 1/2 inch at? This is getting to be a very boring video. I don't know what I need. I got the tool right here. It's called a crescent wrench. There we go. All right, don't worry about this orange turd. Oh, hey, your shoes got dirty. Nothing like being fully prepared. Oh, well, that's how we do it around here. We're fully prepared all the time. All right, I need 2 hands for this job.
5, 6, 1.
Hey, quit talking over there. You're bothering me.
You ready for your life to change the deal with now? I already been that. I tell you that now.
Oh, there's a carburetor in there. Ooh, that's that new Harley I put on there. Okay, there is that. A little gasoline. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to... That fuel line is connected to the fuel pump down here. Way down there, you can barely see it. And there's a rubber hose that goes back there somewhere along the frame and goes up through the floorboard. There's a hose down there, see it down there? Ignition's sitting here, so good place for it. Alright, so it should be able to suck the fuel out of that once it starts to work. So we need a little fuel right here. Pour down the old carbonator. Make it run. This is a nice rust-free car. See, there's no rust on it anywhere. See, perfect. No rust. See, perfect. Okay, let's see if there's any more cranks first. Okay, one of these should start and one should make noise. Ooh, that makes a lot of cranking noise. Okay, it works. The hot wires work.
Hey, Brandon, look, I just drained it. It's coming out.
And I did check, there's oil still in it. Alright, so, does it have a choke on it? Kind of. Pour it on. Okay, so you put a little bit of gas in there. Yeah, that's enough. Now, do not leave the gas can near the car. Very important. Alright, choke on. Bottle. Start. Appears to be a little spark over there someplace. Putting a good spark. It's sparking really good over here. Oh, there it is.
They probably just sneaking around. No.
It appears this jumper cable is hitting on something it's supposed to not be hitting on. See, this alligator clip shifted. It was laying against that post there, which I assume it's probably not supposed to be. I don't know why it could possibly have gotten up that high from engine vibration. Yeah, it's precision wiring job there. Okay, so it cranked after what, about 3 turns it fired? It ran out of gas.
It says you got a mule.
Give him some more of this stinky stuff here. Oh, big drink of it.
Good man, yeah. I'm like, baby, what's for this? That's some, oh, don't worry about it. He has food in there. Look.
Hi, how are you? Are you filming?
Yes.
Oh, bye.
What?
I know how you get people on film.
The camera's pointed that way.
Yeah. But you have a
Did you see the fuel coming out the top of the carburetor?
Yeah, why was it spinning down?
Obviously the float is sticking that it never used to have a problem with.
Hey, you see all that damn rust smoke?
Rust? Was there rust somewhere? Was it smoking out the tailpipe? Was it blowing dust out the back?
Everything. That fucking smoke is gold.
You sure it wasn't? You sure it wasn't all the dust on the ground?
Now, look, you see it on the tarp right there is gold.
It's getting rusty in here. It's getting fumigated. I bet you it's blowing all that dirt out of the car out from underneath it.
Yeah.
It's got open
Check
pipes
that
under
piece
there.
of crap started?
Yeah, it's blowing fuel out the top of the carburetor.
That shit gold rust.
Stinks around here though. I'm gonna let the air clear a little bit. We're back.
Science guy.
Okay, we're back on this. Had to clear the air in here, open up the back and door and the front door and the side door and
Tatro,
turn the fan on. What? I'm videoing what?
video on what? That
I'm videotaping your butt.
Man, you keep talking about my butt, man. I'm not choking you out.
It makes noise. Leave me alone. So I was told the official tool on this is beat it with a hammer.
I got a woman coming for you.
Oh, great.
Look at her butt.
Yeah, well, it's better than yours.
Big man, what you over here quiet, man? He don't like you around, too. See?
He's not talking about this.
Yeah, he get quiet. He was just talking crazy earlier.
All right, let's see what happens here.
You know my boy be quiet. You
I don't
can
think
hear
it's going to make any difference, but we'll see. Ain't working very well, obviously.
Oh, you about to start that shit again? No way.
We have a little bit of a fuel leak still. Bring a crescent wrench. We had a crescent wrench. How would I do
We
it?
can get a good view of it, huh?
All right, let's go see what's going on with this thing.
Alright, that's cool. Wait 10 minutes, I'll be there. Alright. Man, it's not like these Harley games, man.
Okay, this thing's got to be leaking or sticking or something.
Hey, bro, why you talking with that big ass head?
Okay,
Hey.
it appears to be working all right.
Huh?
It's rattling.
Once you beat him, if you beat him tomorrow, just give him about 30 days, 2 months, he'll be back. He gonna go thinking like a motherfucker.
Hey, quit swearing over there. All right, let's try this again, see what happens.
Okay.
It's still flooded. Needle out, it's working. is dead. Three back is dead. Flooding again, wasn't it?
You don't want to take off either, so that's what you're getting on. Come on.
Flooding again.
Hey, look. Hey, man, look. How you get home,
It's a good 6-cylinder motor. Yep, got oil pressure. 40 pounds down there. Smoky down here in the exhaust system. Appears to be smoking a little bit. Sounds a little rich too. I'm gonna run it out of gas. Get that high first. Fuel tank. Man, it sucked up almost all this gas. Anything further out of gas.
That's a real piece of crap.
It runs great on 6 cylinders. What are you talking about?
Tatro, that shit gonna blow up, man. Sorry it was gonna blow, man.
It didn't blow. I was told Chevys never blow up.
Brandon, what's next, man?
I'm thinking the ignition might have some issues on a couple cylinders.
What did you say, Brandon?
I run this thing with bikes wide open. So, that was warm. This one here was dead before. Yeah, it's not exactly bubbling very much back there. It's definitely got an oil leak back here in that bag hole. Yeah, well, it is what it is. It runs, kind of. Turn the choke off. That sucked up almost half a gallon of fuel right there. That cost me $2. Oh well, there you go. This piece of crap does run. Barely. But it runs. Well, Scooby liked it. You like that, Scooby? Yeah, Scooby liked it. You don't like that Harley, did you? Yeah. Appears to have some fumigation going on in this building. I don't know what's up with that. Alright, we're going to strip this down, throw the hood back on it, and call it a night, I think. Maybe we'll put the air cleaner back on. That way the water can't get in there. Not very easily. It's good for another 5 years until I have to do something else to it. Now this has been modified for the fuel lines. right there. Find a sweet spot. That's the spot. All right, there we go.